Hello, lovelies. So I finally got my Elves box and cleared off my counter space so that I can give it a proper box opening. Um, this is the Sophie and Toffee Elves box, I believe, for May. I haven't actually opened it yet. I just got the outer wrapping off so that I can open it for you guys so you didn't have to listen to me curse at tape and scissors. But I think this is May, and I do not remember what's in it at all. For those of you who don't know, the Elves box is a subscription box, a monthly one. I do pay for this and get it on my own, so you're going to get my honest opinions. I have no reason to lie to you guys, because they're not, giving me a free one or anything. So let's find out what's in here, because I really don't know what I'm getting at all. Okay, it is the May box. That is helpful. And they had a creative contest that, oh, it wraps at the end of the month. I might actually have time to do that. And a coupon. Coupon with a coupon code. Everybody who can see it gets it too, I guess. And here's the list of what is in my box. So, shot for you guys. Freeze the screen if you want to be able to actually reference it. Alright, here we go. UV resin, that should be this. Yep, UV resin. Iridescent pigment dye. Iridescent pigment dye. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, sorry. It's good. Ooh, pearly white. I like it. Solid color pigment dye. Mint. Yay, not pink. I like it when I get more not pink. Puffy heart mold. There we go. Ooh, okay. So that's really good for pendants. I'm not quite sure about the shape of that there, but we'll see how it looks once I've actually used it. And I get UV resin to use it, so that could come up pretty quick. Let's see here. Alice-themed inclusions. Okay, so we have an itty-bitty mold that does, like, nail art stuff. That is not visible on the camera screen. Let's try this for you guys. You see that? There we go. So itty bitty card sweet symbols. I've got some nail art pieces like this before, although I don't think I have these exact shapes. These are pretty easy to use. It's super shallow. You can just use the UV resin with them. That's set up super fast. And they are small enough to use on your nails too if you decide to do the nail art thing as a side thing. So I'm not quite sure which item that was. Alice themed. This might be the Alice themed inclusions that's next on the list. And it looks like it's some cool metal bits that I could string up on pendants or, throw in my resin. Alice themed stickers. I saw those. Stickers, stickers, stickers. Check that out. Aren't those amazing? Okay, I really like those. Alice in Wonderland is not my favorite, but some of the visuals are so good. Oh, and there's lots of little cards, so I can do like a thing with cards. I'm excited. Oh, okay, this is the poker card silicone mold. So that, I think, was the inclusions. 20 grams of clock parts. Clock parts. Here we go. And then holographic star glitter in 2 different sizes. Ooh! Those are 4-point stars, not 5-point stars. Is that visible for you guys? Yeah, it's like lots of little baby lens flares in there. Yeah. Alright. Clock parts, glitter stars, gold heart keychain, and gold blank bail. So here's the findings so that I can do the pendants. And then I really like those heart keychains. That is super cute. And that was everything in the box. What's it say on the back side? Recommended project ideas. So crafters who are cooler than me have some really good tutorials you can check out. Check out those channels. I watch most of them. Love them. And that is everything. I'm hoping to film a couple of tutorial videos for you guys. I am mildly terrified of taking those steps with my video editor, which means I need to suck it up and do it. I'm not sure how long they'll take. So I'm not going to give you any promises on timeline, but it is something that is absolutely going to be coming in the near future. And I think that's it. Remember, check out my Patreon, check out my Facebook. I'll have links down below for you guys on that. And I'll see all you lovelies on the internet.